first room is the cathedral room. It's high ceiling. We've actually had 4 weddings inside of this cave. All of them within the booth.
Oh yeah? Wow.
Up ahead looks like angel wings. Angel wings right there. Maybe even a dove up above. It's a shield formation. And the Statue of Liberty on the right. Now looks like the Leaning Tower of Pisa from this side. Leaning Tower of Pisa. That looks like a small hippo diving into the water. Kind of down this way. The middle of my light, head first, pointing down towards the water. His front leg, his back leg on the left. Just diving down in. Head first on the right, front leg, back leg up on the left. Small hippo.
Wow.
If you can't imagine that one, we have another formation up ahead. Looks like an elephant. An elephant. There's his head and his trunk. His front foot stepping out of the rock on the right. An elephant. His head, his trunk, front foot stepping out.
Actually has an eye too.
As you get closer to the dock, please remain seated. I will let you guys know when it's safe to